So, explain ko sa iyo ngayon kung bakit maganda by the time you start a business, mag-multiple heads ka. So, the beauty of multiple heads. So, may mga options tayo how to start the business. So, first option is tinatawag namin na starter package, which is one head. Second option mo is entrepreneur business package, which is 3 heads. And third option mo is international builders package, which is 7 heads. So, ito yung common options by the time you started the business. So, pero I personally recommend na kung gusto mo talagang seryosohin yung business mo at gusto mo kumita ng malaki dito, so I recommend you start at 3 heads or 7 heads. So, bakit? So, ipapakita ko ngayon sa inyo kung ano yung mga advantage pag nag-multiple heads ka. So, siguro, by the time normally, yung mga distributors na na-explain na ng business, they started at starter package, which is one head. So, sa starter package, yung capital mo is 7,980. So, ito yung pinaka-capital mo sa business, and yung worth of products na balik sa'yo, 6,000. And then, meron kang isang scholarship certificate. So, yung sa genealogy mo, ito yung makikita mo. So, one account, meron kang left, meron kang right. So, ipagpalagay na lang natin sa one account, maximum na pwede mong malagay or minimum na pwede mong malagay by the time you started your network is 2 tao. So, what if 8 tao yung napajoin mo? Kasi hindi lang naman 2 yung taong kakilala mo. Posibleng may pangatlo, pang-apat, pang-5. So, ipagpalagay na lang natin na may 8 nag-join sa'yo. So, ano yung magiging scenario or ano yung magiging structure nito para ma-maximize mo yung income pag one account ka lang? So, ito yung magiging scenario. 4 sa left and 4 sa right. So, possibly, yung income na makukuha mo sa 8 tao na nag-join is a sponsoring bonus, kikita ka ng 8 tigpa 500. So, 500 times 8, 4,000. And then, sa matching bonus, so, kikita ka ng 4 na tigwa 1,500. Okay? So, 1,500 times 4 equivalent to 6,000. A total of 10,000 pesos yung kinita mo sa 8 tao na nag-join sa'yo sa one head. So, ano yung advantage pag you started entrepreneur business package or 3 heads? So, magkano yung capital sa entrepreneur business package? Yung capital is 23,940. So, 7,980 times 3. So, yung worth of products na nabalik sa'yo is 18,000. And then, ito yung magiging structure mo. Ikaw yan si U1, U2, at saka si U3. So, by the time you started the business, ganito yung structure na makikita mo sa genealogy mo. So, mayroon siyang tinatawag na cash payback. Ibig sabihin, by the time you invested 23,940, automatic, kumita ka na agad ng 2,500. So, saan yun nanggaling? So, by the time nag-invest ka, parang naka-recruit ka ng 2 tao. So, 500, 500, 1,500, a total of 2,500. So, makikita mo yung return of investment na nabalik sa'yo or yung return is 18,000 na products plus 2,500. So, a total of 20,500. Okay? So, yung cash out, parang yung pera na talagang pinalabas mo or inilabas mo by the time na na-consume mo lahat ng yung products or nabenta mo, plus yung 2,500 na cash, automatic makukuha mo. So, kulang-kulang na 3,440 only lang yung napagawas na pera mo. Kasi 23,940 minus 20,500, so nasa 3,440 lang. So, kagandahan nito, mayroong 3 scholarship or mayroon pa siyang 3 scholarship na makukuha mo by the time you invested 23,940. So, the same scenario, yung pagpalagay natin nangyari na mayroong 8 taong nag-join sa iyo, ito yung magiging scenario. So, tigda 2. So, under kay U3, 2 tao sa left at saka sa right. And then, sa U2, 2 tao left at saka sa right. So, magkano yung income mo? Sa 8 tao na nag-join, ng 3 heads yung